Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has called for calm after a trigger-happy police officer shot dead a 40-year-old electrician and cab driver. While expressing his condolences to the victim's family, Governor Diri urged residents to maintain peace and refrain from taking the laws into their hands. He assured the public that the officer responsible has been arrested and will face justice.
Police brutality and killings by trigger-happy operatives are not new in Nigeria. These often occur when officers unjustifiably use excessive force in law enforcement. These extrajudicial killings sometimes lead to the deaths of civilians, raising significant human rights concerns. The actions of such policemen are often fueled by a lack of accountability, inadequate training, and systemic corruption within the security apparatus. Public outcry and advocacy for reforms have increased with widespread protests such as the #EndSARS movement, which highlighted the need for substantial changes in police approach to law enforcement and human rights protection in Nigeria. Unfortunately, despite efforts to stem the tide of extrajudicial killings, they continue to occur. Just last week, the Bayelsa State Police Command said it has identified and arrested a policeman who shot dead a 40-year-old electrician and cab driver, Benalayete Bako Asiaye, over an alleged 200 naira bribe. The incident occurred last Tuesday evening along Azikoro Road in Yenagoa, the state capital. According to reports, the deceased met his untimely end while returning from work in his vehicle, a Toyota Sienna, at about 8 p.m. The unfortunate incident caused a lot of protest and agitation by restive youths and residents alike in Yenagoa, the state capital. Governor Douye Diri responded swiftly, meeting with the Commissioner of Police and other security officials to address the crisis. He expressed his condolences to Asiaye's family and assured the public that justice would be served.
The day it happened, even though I was not in the state, I was adequately informed and I gave directives on what should be done. And the police immediately apprehended the police officer that was involved in that shooting.
For his part, Bayelsa State Commissioner of Police Francis Idu condemned the shooting and stated that the officer acted independently. He pledged that the trial of the officer would be transparent to maintain and strengthen the trust between the police and the state.
You can take this home from the police side of the offense committed by the policeman against your citizen. That is, aim for it, justice is being served, and it will be seen to be served.
As investigations continue, the incident underscores the urgent need for police reform in Nigeria, a demand consistently raised by human rights advocates and the public alike.
Inside the Niger Delta,